What's up guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Rode Wireless Pro. It's a wireless microphone, and if you're ready, let's get on with the unboxing. Inside the box you have two wireless transmitters, one receiver, you have the charging box, you have a cable to connect the receiver to your iPhone or iOS devices, and another cable for the lightning to USB-C for iPhones, for the old set of iPhones from 14 downwards. Then also inside the box you have, for the first time, because the previous ones didn't have it, you now have two lav mics included, and this time they have a locking mechanism. That way you can easily just firmly lock the mics to the transmitters, and you have five dead caps included. Now you can now charge the mics directly inside the box, the case. Now you don't have to individually charge them. Now you can now charge them all at once inside the case. Another selling point for this mic is it now has 32-bit float recording. In addition to that 32-bit float recording, you have 32 gigs of internal memories. From the unboxing experience, you can see the Rode Wireless Pro is packed with lots of accessories and features that would work with your everyday shoot. So that's the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed the brief unboxing. Until next time, peace.